I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change.
Hey guys, it is June 12th and I am packing to go to New Mexico. I just filmed a couple videos today. I did some Buffbunny hauls. I've been buying from their new collections and I just can't be stopped, but I need to be stopped. So I am just trying to decide what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping, because to be honest, like, I wish I could keep everything, but like that's a little irresponsible of me because I don't need all of these pieces. So so what I'm doing right now, I'm just kind of getting them ready to ship back. I did work today and I have not packed, and we leave tomorrow after I get off of work. I'm taking a half day tomorrow, but I thrive under pressure. I don't know why I'm like this, but I am just packing. I have to pack for Amelia and I have to pack for myself. Luckily, Kyle has helped me clean the house and he's pretty much done packing for himself, so that's really good. And yeah, now I'm just trying to get my Buffbunny stuff in order. I'm just packing away. So I just finished packing the things I'm not keeping from Buffbunny and what I'm returning. So I actually have another purchase from them. This is so bad. Like, I'm telling you, I need to be stopped. Like, this is terrible. But if you're wondering, I did keep the pink legacy or micro legacy shorts and the buttercup sports bra, and I also kept the sway shorts, super flowy. I love those, and the Pop Rocks reversible bra as well. And then I did get the scrunchie to match, so obviously keeping that. But these are the items I decided to keep on. I did like the other stuff, but I just felt like this stuff was more me, so I'm keeping that. But anyways, I did get another bag. It's bad, seriously, but they were having a Memorial Day sale, so I've had this since then. But yeah, let's just open it. I guess the main things that I got, holy crap, they're having a really good deal on a lot of this stuff, so I'm just justifying my purchase. These shorts, I don't know how they're still on the website. Like, I truly don't know. But these are the Aurora shorts in onyx black and white. Like, are you kidding me? These are so beautiful. Like, holy macaroon, so nice. Just, this is perfect. And then of course I have to get the matching bra. Here's the matching bra. It's so pretty. I feel like I probably could have sized up just by looking at this. I feel like I could have sized up to a medium, to be honest, but so pretty. Like I said, I'm addicted to the scrunchies and I got 4 more. Don't ask, don't ask. I did get the pink one, the black. This is bone, so very neutral color. Cold brew. This is cold brew. So we got cold brew, we got bone, Candy Crush, and onyx black. So now I have the Lover pink and these ones. Love it. And last but not least, I've never tried their socks, but they look amazing. So I got the pack of white socks, and I also got the pack of white, brown, and this like beigey color. So I have new sets of socks, which everyone needs socks, so this was justified. And I'm just gonna quickly try these on, which I'm probably also going to take with me depending on how they look, but let's try it on. This is so pretty. Okay, so here is the set on. And it's so nice. I love the white against the black. I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is nice. I love them. I knew I would love them. And then of course you can like hike it up a little bit because they're a little long. They're like the 6-inch, so they're a bit long. And then I was right. I knew I should have sized up in the bra. It's just, I think, a tiny bit snug. Just a little bit. but it still fits. Like, it's not uncomfortable or anything, but I just feel like I would be more comfortable in a medium instead of the small. Here is outfit. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is the top too small? I'm probably gonna keep it, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. I was so excited about this outfit, and I came to show Kyle, and he literally said I look like a referee. He also said,
or a zebra.
And I said, oh, referee, and he's like,
referee and a zebra had a baby and came out as that outfit.
I'm still keeping it, so. Hey guys, so it is now the 13th of June. It is 7 p.m. and we left so late today, and the car's probably really loud. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it's 7 p.m. We're gonna stop for a quick break. I need to feed Amelia, and Lily has to potty and stretch out as well. I worked and finished packing this morning. I worked just a half day, so it wasn't too bad. And then we just got so delayed with picking up the car, getting lunch for ourselves, and just packing. Yeah, changing diapers, forgetting things at the house, pumping. Yeah, it's been, we ended up losing so much time, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. We're splitting our trip into 2 days, so we're about 2.5 hours away, and we might lose another half hour in this stop, but it's okay. So we're just past Yuma in Arizona, and our destination is Phoenix, so we're so close. And this is our view right now, all the pretty mountains. Amelia's really upset. We're gonna get her some food, and then our car's pretty packed. Lily is right there in the back. She's got that whole back to herself, so she's really comfortable.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs.
This is the formula we've been using, and Amelia actually really likes
It's time we
it.
make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out.
It is so, oh my god, there's a train passing by. We just fed Amelia, and she slept through the night for the first time. Well, the second time in the last 11 months, yes, last night. And we think it's because of the formula, and she's getting more food now. So I think that makes a huge difference. We'll see tonight. Being at a hotel is a little different, but I think this will truly make the difference with her night sleep. Before I forget, I just bought this from Amazon. It's a little travel bottle warmer, and it actually did a pretty good job. I didn't use the right temperature, but it's pretty easy and very convenient. I'm pretty sure you can put formula in this little portion up here, but I didn't do that. And then this little warmer, it literally has power button and temperature, and it's really good. Hola! Lindy! We just got to the hotel, 10:35 p.m. and we're kind of tired. I look tired too, but we just got here, and literally look at all the stuff I'm taking inside. It's all like needed stuff, so thankful for the stroller, but it's filled. All right, we're ready to go. I don't think the camera has flashlights.
Finally in bed.
Finally. Exhausted, Amelia's eating her
But
food.
she's up, so we'll see how that goes.
I know.
She's like ready she's ready to run around and crawl around
And then the hotel gave us that crib.
but yeah.
Which, I'm not a super fan of hotel cribs, but
It's fine. What's wrong with that one?
I mean, I guess we sleep on the beds.
Yeah, they just don't wash the sheets. It's fine.
That's why I don't like it. We are in the hotel. It's 6:31. We woke up early because of Lily, but that's okay. We need to get on the road anyways, but Amelia was sleeping through the night until Lily decided to bark, but she's doing good. She's kind of bored, but here we are. And then here's our view. It's really pretty out here. ¿Qué pasa? Technically, New Mexico's an hour ahead, so we're already at 7:30. So yeah, we need to hustle. Because by the time we get breakfast, and then we have to stop at Walgreens, by the time we do all of that, it's gonna be probably 1 more hour.
Alright, I'm ready.
I see it in your eyes.
We are by Payson, so we're making progress on our drive. Amelia needed to stretch out, so we're taking a little break, and I need to feed her a banana and her milk. And then when we get to my parents, we'll feed her real food. Bonbon. No. Este no. Some Cheerios.
We'll work it out, we'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for
Wow,
a
princess.
ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your baggage.
Okay, so I forgot to vlog us eating our delicious meal, our delicious lunch. We had Chiba Hut, and it's so good. But we just got to the mall. It is the next day from our travel days. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. The heat is heating, but it's been an eventful day. It's been a day. Okay, I'm gonna do like long story short. We had to return the rental today before 12 because they close at 12. And then I got all of Amelia's stuff ready. I jumped in the car and turned on the air, and then I was like, oh, I need to go in the back and grab something really quick. So I opened the trunk, and my door closed as I got out of the car, and Amelia was in the car, and the keys were in the car. Everything's locked, and I was freaking out. But thankfully, for some reason, when I left the house, I put my set of keys to the house in my bag, and my parents have an extra set of keys for the car inside the house. So I was able to, like, what's the word, frantically call my mom, and I'm like, I need the extra keys, like Amelia's in the car. So thankfully I had extra keys, and thankfully my parents had extra keys. We did all of that, but then we missed the deadline to return the car, so we had to go all the way to the airport. But it's okay, we're here now, and we returned it. Everything's good. And now we're just going to Old Navy really quick to get Amelia some shoes so she can, you know, walk around, because she doesn't have any. So we're gonna do that right now, and we'll get on with our day. We have a busy day full of errands to run, so we'll bring you along, and we're gonna prepare for Amelia's birthday party tomorrow. Yay! We just got done with Old Navy. I ended up buying a little like activewear dress and one pair of lounge shorts. I had to wrap them. It was like a quick, I saw them and I was like, yes, I need that. We got Amelia these cute little sandals. So she can,
like little Velcro sandals.
Yeah, like little Velcro sandals so she can walk around. Well, she's not really walking around, but she's trying. But now we're on our way to Sprouts. I have a whole list of things I need to buy. Amelia's birthday party is tomorrow, and my parents have bought a lot of stuff already, and we're gonna get the food, and then my dad's gonna help us grill tomorrow. So we're just picking up everything we need for food and desserts and all of that. And then I have to pick up some balloons from Party City, which I have not placed the order, so I'm probably gonna do that now and then pick them up later. And then tomorrow I have to go pick up Amelia's cake that I ordered, which I'm really excited about. So that's tomorrow's plan, and then everyone comes over at 1. And today is just kind of like the preparation day. So that's what we're doing. Nothing exciting or crazy, but yeah, we have Sprouts on the list and Costco and balloons. So that's what we're doing today.
I see it in your eyes.
0 sugar, 5 carbs. And it's blueberry muffin.
Oh, that's yummy.
They
Is that
just-
for you?
No, it's for her.
Oh, for me? Oh, that's good. How many sugars does it have?
It says 0.
I should scan that. You guys, so we're at Sprouts and I found these cookies. Are you kidding? They're the biscuit cookies, but they're, what do they have? Like a filling. Like, hello, I had to get it. So I got this. We love Sprouts around here. And then Kyle just found this cereal with 0 sugar, 5 carbs, and 13 protein. So that'll be good to give Amelia for like little snackies. And now we just gotta get her purees. No, they don't. Fudge nugget. This one she likes. Yeah. Alright. So we're here. We're doing it.
3 5s. There's 5 left.
You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. It's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead.